Now I'm going to show you how to use the whiteboard functions inside the Easy Interactive Tools. The whiteboard function is found at the top right hand corner. It has a small ABC. Simply click on it and your whole screen turns white. You can just begin to draw, and it has the same tools that we saw before. You can change the color and the width and draw again. It has shape tools, and it has that pen tool to select a specialty color. And the thickness. Oops. Another great function of this is that you can make it kind of like a smart presentation. If you click on the grid view list at the top left hand corner, you will start to see pages. You can go down here to the new page, and now you can go ahead and start a new page. This second function is a background picture. You have to be careful with these. A lot of times when you add a picture to the entire background, it's going to pixelate. I like this ready for school, but when I open it up, it's quite pixelated and a little blurry. Looks great here, not so great here. So make sure you use high quality resolution pictures. I'm going to do another new page, and this has some background features. If you click right next to the picture icon and choose your background, if you click once, it's going to be transparent, so you can save the background. Maybe if you are on a website or just your simple desktop, you can save that background. If you continue to click on the same icon, it's going to go through a series of colors. These colors cannot be changed. You can't add a new color to this list. You just have to work with what they give you. But if you continue to click, there's some great functions, like this line paper. If you're trying to tell your students to put their name in the top right-hand corner, this might be a great demo. Notice my handwriting, it's not so great, and we're missing an option here. We no longer have a keyboard option. There's some additional options over here. The only thing you can do on the whiteboard is simply use the pen to draw and write. If you continue to go through the options for background, there's a couple more back here that are neat. There's our lines. This is for Danielle handwriting, and this is in the way a little bit. These are actually music notes. If you want to move this, you can simply minimize this so it's in full screen. And if I knew anything about music, I could probably draw a few things, but being that I don't, I can't. The next background that you may see, I guess that's it. Oops, yep. I thought there was one more back there, but nope, the music notes are the last one, then it goes back to a white drawing. I'm going to come back here and pull up my list, my view list, to see what's next. Again, you can go back to this sheet screen, and you can also use your spotlight. You can print your screen, or you can print your whole presentation. There's an undo and a redo button. So if you draw and you don't like that last W, you can simply hit undo and draw that W again. Those are the basic features. There is a save button when you're done with your presentation. If you have kids at the end of the day that you want to do the same presentation for, you can go ahead and save this, and it's actually going to save as a JPEG. I apologize, I thought this would save the presentation, but it's just going to save that one screen for you. So in other words, it's just going to save this screen. It's not going to save your whole presentation. But that's all I can show you on the interactive tools for Whiteboard. I hope you have fun and give that pen to your kids and let them play along.